Hello, this is Michael and welcome to another EAP video. In today's video I'm going to take you through the very easy steps to set up a webhook. Webhooks are a great way of notifying another application of changes that have happened in your EAP account. So I've logged into just a testing service provider. So if we just navigate up to Manage and scroll down to Webhooks. Okay, currently we have 4 predefined webhooks triggers. We have system communications, comment statuses, carrier callbacks, and a couple of miscellaneous ones. Today I'll just take you through just the comment status one, but for information on all the others we do have support documentation, which I'll show you at the end and link in the video. Okay, we'll just go over here to configure a webhook. So very easy, we just have the drop down here, and this will be populated when you set up an EAP account. So what we're going to choose here is just a info status, and then all we have to do is just put in the URL where you want the information sent to. So I've just got a test one I've set up, and then submit. So that webhook is now set up and ready to be triggered throughout the system. Just a couple of details: once you've added one, you can edit, and when you edit you can only change the URL, or if you want to just delete this webhook trigger, just use delete. Okay, you're just going to go over to test this comment status. I'm just going to go over to a test client account. Alright, I'm going to scroll down to add a comment. And here we'll choose info, so that matches the webhook trigger we've set up. We'll just throw in a bit of other info here. Okay, and we'll submit this. So what will happen is the system will recognize that we've just added an info comment to this client, and as part of that process it'll know that there has been a webhook set up to trigger, and it'll add a job to our queuing system, and when that job is run it'll send the information to your designated URL. Okay, I'm just going to go up to this test location here, and I can see that my webhook information has come through. Let's expand this out a little bit, and there we go. We can see an example of the information you'll receive with a comment status webhook with the action info, and that is easy. So as I mentioned before, for more information about this feature, please go to our EAP support website and have a scroll through that documentation. And that is it. Thank you very much, and we'll hopefully catch you in the next video.